10th Standard Mathematics Part 2. Already we had started the lesson similarity. In the last session, we covered till solved problems first and second. In this session, we are covering solved problems 3 and 4 and all the 5 problems from practice set 1.1. Solved problem number 3 from page number 4. Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. P is any point on side BC. Find two pairs of triangles with equal areas. Now here if you are observing the diagram, quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram given and four triangles I am observing here in this diagram. So as ABCD is a parallelogram, then AD is parallel to BC. The sides of parallelogram are parallel to each other and side AB is parallel to side DC. Now we have to find out the triangles which are having equal areas, means base and height of the triangles must be equal. So consider triangle ABC and the triangle BDC. In these two triangles, both the triangles are drawn in two parallel lines and we know the distance between two parallel lines is always equal. Hence the distance between two parallel lines is the height of both the triangles, as DE is the height of both the triangles. So triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC, can we say that area of triangle ABC and in triangle BDC, the triangles having common base, that is BC, and common height, that is DE. So triangles having equal base and equal height, or common base and common height. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle BDC. Now consider triangle ABC and triangle BDC. Students have to do it. In this triangle, AB is the common base and height is also common, that is heights are equal. So area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle ABD. In the given figure, triangle ABC, observe the diagram and read the question. Point D is on side AC. B is a common vertex in triangle ABC. BP is perpendicular to AC. As B is the common vertex for all the four triangles. AC is given 16, DC is given 9. And then we have to find out the ratios. As AC equal to 16 and DC equal to 9, then we can say that AD equal to 7. So area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ABC, which is the first ratio we have to find out. Observe the triangles in the diagram ABD and ABC. Both are having equal height. So ratio is equal to their corresponding bases. So for ABD, base is AD and for ABC, base is AC. Substitute the values, that is 7 upon 16. Write down the reason, triangles having equal height. Second problem, second ratio we have to find out. Area of triangle BDC upon area of triangle ABC. Again the triangles having equal height, observe in the diagram. BDC and ABC. So ratio is equal to their corresponding bases. So which are the bases for these triangles? For BDC, base is DC, and for ABC, base is AC, which is equal to 9 upon 16. Next triangle, triangle ABD upon triangle BDC. Students have to find out. Again, in these triangles are having equal heights. So ratio is equal to their corresponding bases. So base for ABD is AD and base for triangle BDC is DC, which is equal to 7 upon 9. Every time you have to write down the reason for all the three ratios. The reason is triangles having equal height. Practice set 1.1, question number 1. Base of a triangle is 9 and height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find the ratio of areas of these triangles. Now base of first triangle is given, that is 9 and 5. So we are writing here B1 equal to 9 and H1 equal to 5. Similarly for the second triangle B2 equal to 10, H2 equal to 6. We have to find out the ratio of areas of these two triangles. So ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to, we know that B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Base and height of first triangle upon base and height of second triangle. Substitute all the values which we had written. 9 into 5 divided by 10 into 6. Multiply it, divide it, and find out the final answer. Answer is 3 upon 4. So ratio is 3 upon 4. Second problem. Here is the diagram. BC is perpendicular to AB and AD is perpendicular to AB. Means AB is common for both the triangles. BC is given 4 and AD is given 8. And question is, find out area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADC. So if you are observing here, one thing is common, that is AB, which is base is common. So if base is common, then area is equal to their ratio is equal to their corresponding heights. So we will write here H1 equal to 4 and H2 equal to 8. That is height for first triangle and height for the second triangle. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB, which is equal to H1 upon H2, which is equal to 4 upon 8, because AB is the base which is common for both the triangles. 4 upon 8 divided 1 upon 2 is the ratio for both for the triangle. Third problem. Observe the diagram. PS is perpendicular to RQ. QT is perpendicular to segment PR. RQ is given 6. PS is given 6. PR equal to 12 given. Find QT. Now if you are observing the diagram, PQR is a triangle which is having two bases and two heights. So PR QT and RQ PS. So area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle PQR, because height and base for PQR is given. So we are writing area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle PQR. So first base and height, that is PR into QT, and second RQ into PS. Substitute the values. 1 upon 1 I had written to the left hand side because area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle PQR will get cancelled. So PR into QT and RQ into PS in the denominator. Cross multiply RQ, sorry, PR into QT equal to PR into PS, RQ into PS. Substitute all the values. 12 into QT, which is equal to 6 into 6. Do the calculations and find out the final answer. That is 3 units. You have to mention the reason. Area of triangle. Problem number 4. In the adjoining figure, AP is perpendicular to BC given. AD is parallel to BC given. Find area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BCD. If you are observing, BC is the common base in both the triangles, and these triangles are between two parallel lines. So height must be same. First of all, we will draw DQ, which is perpendicular to side BC, such that B dash C dash Q. AD is parallel to BC, which is given. So AP equal to DQ, because perpendicular distance between two parallel lines is same. This reason students have to write down perpendicular distance between two parallel lines is same. Now write down area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD. We have to find out the ratio which is given in the question, which is equal to AP upon DQ, because already BC is the base that I explained you, which is common BC base. So area, ratio of the area is equal to their corresponding height. But DQ equal to AP. So AP upon AP equal to 1. So area of triangle ABC is equal to or is to area of triangle BCD is equal to 1 is to 1. Fifth question. In the adjoining figure, PQ is perpendicular to BC and AD is perpendicular to BC given. Then find the following ratios. Again we will see PQ is perpendicular to BC and AD is perpendicular to BC. Then find out the following ratios. The first one is area of triangle area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle PBC. Here if you are observing in the diagram, triangle PQB and triangle PBC. In both the triangles having equal height, which is PQ. So area of the ratio of the areas is equal to their corresponding bases, because heights of both the triangles are equal. Therefore, BQ is the base of triangle PQB and BC is the base of triangle PBC. Therefore, answer is BQ upon BC. All the time you have to write down the answer. Triangles having equal height for this. Next is area of triangle PBC upon area of triangle ABC. Observe the diagram again. PBC and ABC. Again BC, which is the common base for both the triangles. So take the ratio of their corresponding height. PQ is the height of triangle PBC and AD is the height of triangle ABC. Observe the diagram, same diagram. Third ratio, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADC. In the diagram, ABC and ADC, both the triangles are having equal height, which is AD. So triangles having equal height, the ratio is equal to their corresponding bases. So for triangle ABC, BC is the base, and for triangle ADC, DC is the base. Therefore answer is BC upon DC. Next ratio, area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle PQC is equal to. Now ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding height. If you are observing both the triangles, no base and no height are same for both the triangles. So ratio is equal to their product of their corresponding bases and corresponding height. So for ADC, DC is the base and AD is the height. And for triangle PQC, QC is the base and PQ is the height. Therefore ratio will be DC into AD upon QC into PQ. So students, today we had completed all 5 problems from practice set 1.1. Homework for you. You have to complete all today's 5 problems, that is from practice set 1.1, with question, answer or solution in your notebook. We will meet in the next session. Thank you.